weed store's open.
Oh, yeah, because you got to get baked when it's this cold outside. Weed stores open for business. Yes. Yeah, man. Totally. Working on the Starbucks. Aldi ain't open.
Is this where the Dollar General's at right here?
The Family Dollar?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
trying here.
yeah, I think it's down at the end of Chico. We're trying to find an open spot. $20.25, people. This is crazy. This is South Mississippi. Normally we get hurricanes. This time we got a blizzard. Who'd have thought? It's all that damn climate change.
That gas station's open.
Ooh, gas station is open for business. Is that Dollar General? Oh, no, they're not open. I was about to say DG Market's open. They're not open. They said, nope, not today, Satan. We're trying to get some snacks. Yeah, you go, buddy. You go. This is crazy. Man, oh man.
See, dumb messes like this one right here. You're driving a fucking...
Dude, you're gonna get in a wreck. Sir. Sir. No. People are actually walking. What?
Watch out.
Oh, sorry. My bad. Oopsies. Church. Snow's still going sideways. Everything is closed because people don't know how to act.
That gas station's open.
Ooh, that place is open. They got some good food there, though, for real. Too many fights at that place. They got shut down.
Oh.
Whoa, fishtailing. This is East Pascagoula. Coin Laundry's open.
Tony's Auto.
I saw one of those cars the other day that was a dang, or maybe you sent it to me. It was a video of it was a little Tykes car. It was painted to be a little Tykes car. It was crazy. Anyway, back to the video. People walking. That's the soccer fields at the school, at the junior high school. Can't even tell. Winter Wonderland. Yay. Insane. Y'all, we are about a block from the beach right now in the Gulf of America. Yes, sir. open. They got some good food there too. Pretty much every gas station in Mississippi's got good food. It's like the only place like that you'll find good food. Most other holes in the wall. Bridge. We're going over a bridge. What? Come on, camera work. That's a brave soul right there. Brave soul. And he's got beer. My man. That's probably what we'll be getting. Some beer. Because why the heck not? Look at the sewer. Look at it. It's crazy. See if the dollar's open.
Bet you it's not.
No! What?
Trace, that's full of shit. Alright, we're gonna go back to that store.
Going back to the store. Oh, sliding. Family Dollar's closed. My son is full of shit. He doesn't know what he's talking about.
Is anyone coming? Watch out!
No. Yes. Sorry.
Is this?
Sorry. I'm trying to. Got a car coming. We're getting in trouble.
This is what you don't want to do is stop like that.
Okay.
No, I'm just saying, like, that's how you end up getting stuck.
Well, I don't know. I've never dealt with this shit. Mission accomplished. Okay, bye.